Good morning, everyone. I am Rohit Gaudi and my partner Saurabh. And today I am going to present Outlook, how to configure Outlook in Windows 11. Next.
Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Saurabh. I am a new employee of the company, and tell us the Outlook configuration in my laptop.
First of all, you have to open Outlook and I will guide you. See, first we open Outlook and here we have to create a profile, new
Yes.
profile. And here we have to set up the account manually. For that, I need your email. Sir, what's your email?
My email is Saurabh Kharpuria.
Saurabh
Kharpuria.
Khar
Purry.
Kharpuria
77
77
triple 7
77
7 at the rate
7
gmail.com. Dot com.
@gmail.com. And here we have to enter incoming mail server. For that, we write pop.gmail.com,
Yes.
and in outgoing mail server, we have to write smtp. Wait, smtp tp.gmail.com, and we need password. For that, we have to log in your Gmail in our Gmail. So
Okay,
I
sir.
need your Gmail and password. First of all, we need to go in settings
Mm.
and see all settings, and we have to turn on POP and IMAPs. In this forwarding, we have to enable it and scroll and save changes.
Okay, sir.
After completing this, uh, we need to go in more settings, and you have to turn on this
Yes.
my outgoing server, and in advanced setting also turn on this one, and in outgoing server smtp enter 587. This is a server port, and select auto, and then OK. And we need password that will be generated in our Gmail using app password in account settings. After adding app name Outlook, then create it, and it generate a code. Just copy and also write in it in a notepad. Just paste here and then next. Just wait for the status to complete. it completes successfully, then close it, and your Outlook is add account. Here we have your account in Outlook. There is inbox, draft, and sent mail. First of all, I tell you how to send mail. I write my Gmail, Outlook email, and write subject, and also write this. After writing this, just send it, and it's sent. And after that, we have to click on this one option. So send and receive. So the mail will be sent to that user.
Okay, sir.
Here, this is the mail I have sent to my email, and here I configure your Outlook account.
Thank you, sir. All of this.